Now students, after complete the work in book number 4, you need to open the page, take out your English workbook. Okay, and English workbook you have to open the page number 4444 and 4545 as well. Here also we are going to do write the letter O, capital and small both. Okay, so for that you need to do the one thing, and first thing you have to mention today's date over here, and please put tick on classwork. Same thing you have to do on page number 4545 as well. You need to mention today's date over here and kindly put tick on classwork. Fine. Here we will write letter O, capital O. So speak, say, trace and write. O, ox. O, ox. So let's start tracing first and speak the sound as well. O, ox. It's capital O. Which O is this? It's capital O. O, olive. O, ornaments. O, oxygen. O, ox. O, orange. O, olive. O, oil. O, octopus. So in the same way you have to complete the full page on page number 4444. In the same way you need to complete the page number 4545. It is. Okay. Now here also you need to write the letter O, but it should be in small form. Letter O, small o, say, trace and write. As you can see over here, it's small o, and O says O. O, owl. So let's start writing O in between these two blue lines. Okay. For small letter O, we required only these two lines. Like this. Small o. Which letter is this? It's small o. Now write over here. O, orange. O, octopus. O, otter. O, orchid. O, ornaments. O, oxygen. O, oxen. O, olive. So in this way you need to complete these two pages, page number 4444 and 4545 as well. Okay. So when you will complete these work, these two pages and two pages from your book number 4 as well, then you need to send your work on Google Classroom. We will check over there. Fine. Thank you.